If you are a salad lover, please join me today. Let's make and dress this salad in the most nutritive and salivating way. You don't just want to eat something boring, so let's make it appetizing, appealing and nourishing. Come on, let's do this. First things first, I get to rinse all the fruits and veggies as well as properly washing my hands for hygiene purposes. Then I get into peeling and slicing. Now I encourage you to really take salads often because salads boost digestion, supports weight loss, strengthens immunity, improves heart health, enhances skin glow, regulates blood sugar, provides hydration and supply essential vitamins, minerals, fiber and antioxidants for overall well-being. Oh my goodness, I love this. Please try it at home, okay? This is your reminder that you need to eat salad right away. Ooh, look at that. I just love what I see. So once I'm done slicing, I get into mixing the salad properly. First, I start with the vegetables. I have romaine, chicory, broccoli stalk, cauliflower, and red cabbage in there. Then I add the sliced apples. Thereafter, I move over to the strawberries. Oh my goodness. Then I add the ranch. Or you can make your salad dressing. I really just love what I see at this point. So I get into mixing and mixing and mixing. And add the basil balsamic vinaigrette and the raisins. Just love this. So when we are done mixing, we are ready to serve. Oh goodness. At this point, I'm putting in the pear, the tomatoes, just dress it neatly as you like your design to be, then the eggs. Okay friend, it's time to taste what we just made. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, what? I love this any day, anytime. I wish I could share with you, but please try to make some for yourself right away. It's really delicious. I love what I see. Come on. Oh my goodness, this is so good, so good.